I missed going to bars and restaurants this past year to get a Manhattan, so I learned how to make one. A Manhattan is whiskey, sweet vermouth, bitters, and a maraschino cherry. A Manhattan can really be made with any whiskey, and it's usually made with bourbon, but it was originally made with rye, which I have. Rye is less sweet than bourbon, and it has a nice spice to it, so it really blends well with sweet vermouth. I have Peychaud's bitters. Now, bitters are weird. They sort of taste like medicine, but they're floral on the nose. So that was something to drink to make it feel fancy. Let's talk about maraschino cherries. These are the ones you probably see at the grocery store. They go on top of a kid's sundae or in a Shirley Temple. These are the ones you want. They are as expensive as a good bottle of booze and totally worth it. Even if you don't drink, you can put the syrup on top of ice cream and it's amazing. I know, I've done it. Think of them as an investment in yourself. Manhattan takes sweet vermouth, which I have right here. It's a fortified red wine, and like bitters, it's infused with aromatics and herbs, but also a little bit of sugar. And lots of great brands out there. I just have this Martini in Rossi. It's not as expensive, but it's been good. And technically you're supposed to refrigerate it, but I don't have room in my fridge for the things in my fridge, so I haven't been, and it's been fine. You know, a proper cocktail requires a proper snack. Bacon wrapped dates. You need a slice of bacon, cut into thirds, and some pitted dates. I also like to stuff mine with a roasted almond and a little cream cheese. If you're stuffing, stuff them first. Get the cream cheese in, you might need help from like a chopstick or whatever you've got. Just kind of get the cream cheese on top and just sort of poke it in there. This is a family show. Then the almond. Put them in a 400-degree oven, 15 minutes, turn them once at the 10-minute mark. Time to mix the Manhattan. I know you're supposed to stir it, but I have this fun little shaker and huge ice cubes, so I like to use it. It's fine. It's 2 parts whiskey, 1 part sweet vermouth, a few dashes of bitters, pour over ice, and then gently stir or shake until cold. I like to put one of the cherries in the bottom of the glass and then pour some of that syrup in there too. There you have it, a Manhattan.
Did someone say Mad Hatter?
No, I said Manhattan.
Oh, well that's even better. It will be extra great with a snack.
Really? Hold this.
Yes.
Bacon wrapped date?
Don't mind if I do. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious pairing.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers. Like and subscribe, everyone! Don't forget!